don't know why, but my eyes burn. Did you try blinking?
What's up, fuckers?
No! What class you learn that in?
Oh, hey, Kevin. Hey, what's wrong with you?
Nothing, I'm fine. I just got a headache.
I mean, did you eat breakfast?
Nah, I was in a rush to leave out, so I didn't get a chance.
Oh, well, if you're hungry, I got snacks in my bag if you want some.
I appreciate it, but nah, I think I'll be fine. It's just 3 more hours until lunch anyways.
All right, don't say I didn't offer.
My eyes! Just close them! Damn!
All right, my beautiful students. Today's y'all favorite time of the month, test day. We're gonna get started early today. Y'all tests is already on y'all desk. When I say start, you may flip them over and begin.
What the hell are you doing? I say when I say start! Start!
Start. He said start. Oh, we starting it?
Mm-hmm. No! What are y'all doing?
So no then?
Until I say the word, I don't want to hear any talking or noise of any kind. If I hear anything besides those pencils and that paper, we're gonna have a problem. Obviously, I'm not in the mood for it today. Do we got that clear? I said, do we got that clear? Yes, whatever.
All right, then. You may all begin. I'm sorry, you're going to have to keep it down. I'm trying to do my test, and you're being very inconsiderate right now. Yeah, I think I'll take those snacks now. Too late. Already gave them to Gina.
Who keep making these noises? Don't let me find out who it is. I know y'all know, but y'all not telling me. I said no noises. I meant no noises. So don't let me find out who the culprit is.
Okay, well, it must have stopped. Okay, well, everybody get back to work. It wasn't me.
Don't you lie to me.